Hi guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about how to run a screen flow through system mode. As by default, we know that screen flow runs in a user mode, or which one also screen flow run in a user mode, and record trigger flow and schedule trigger flow, which is called your also process builder also. These all are run in a system mode. So my requirement is that I have a user that is Ashutosh, and he wants that I have assigned that profile to the read only. But I don't want to give the permission to create a record, edit a record, delete a record. Say it is only be able to read a record. So I can able to log in through Ashutosh account and go to account object. See, I'm not able to create a record. See, only I am able to only see the record, not deleting also, but able to see the record. That's it. Okay. I'm not able to create the record. Okay. So my requirement is that let's go to profile also. You can also check this profile. Give me a second. Okay. This is a profile of read only. Click on this. And in this profile, see, only read permissions are given to every object. Only read permission, not able to create, delete, or something else. Okay. So my requirement is that when Ashutosh want to create an account, so how to be used in us through screen flow in a system mode, because screen flow runs in a user mode. Okay. And my requirement is that I want that screen flow run in a system mode also. How do able to achieve this scenario. So firstly, we discuss about how to what is system mode or user mode. Okay. So system mode is that the flow runs with system permissions, which means that it has elevated privileges, like whether you have elevated privileges later, whether you have enforced that sharing rules and the field level security. It enforces that, but it does not. In the system mode, it bypass the field level security, your sharing rules also, and for the data level access. But in the user mode, whenever you use the user mode, it enforces the sharing rules also and your field level security. But without, it cannot bypass the field level security and sharing rules in the user mode. It also enforce that. मतलब ये सपोज कर लो एक बैरियर है और वो आपको बैरियर क्रॉस करके ही जाना पड़ेगा, और ये आपका बैरियर क्या है, फील्ड लेवल सिक्योरिटी एंड आपका ये शेयरिंग रूल्स है, और वो बैरियर क्रॉस करके ही आपको जाना पड़ेगा, तभी वो यूजर मोड आपको ये चीज़ें दिखाएगा कि यूजर मोड में आपका ये बैरियर लगा है, तभी मैं डेटा बाइफरकेट करके लेके आऊँगा, फिल्टर आउट करके लेके आऊँगा कि आपको इतने ही प्रिविलेज है यूजर मोड में। बट सिस्टम मोड में क्या होता है, ये सारी चीज़ों को बाईपास कर देगा, सिर्फ आपको सारे जो सेल्सफोर्स में डेटा है वो सारा लेके आके आपको दिखा देगा। करेक्ट। दिस इज द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड योर यूजर मोड ऑल्सो. So let's take and create a screen flow through system mode. So how to we use this in scenario? Okay. So go to flow, click on new flow, and start from scratch. Click on next. Click on screen flow. Click create. Click on plus icon, that is screen flow. And in this I have used the text field where I am using the last name and phone number. Okay. These are the basic mandatory details which have you while creating of account. Okay. So last name and phone number, that's it. Delete this. I want only the text field. I'm using the text field. Okay. So last name and phone number. Okay. And the last name and the phone number. Okay. So label it name as screen flow with system mode. Okay. So click on done. Let's after users input the data through the screen flow, we can able to create the record. So I want to create the record, that is create label it name, create account record. And how to set a variable from manually? Select object, to create an account to account object, that is last name and then phone number, account phone, that is phone number. Okay, these are the basic details, that is mandatory details while creating of account. So I'm using only two, that is okay, this is fine. Okay, so name and phone number, just save this. Create a message also. Yeah, while creating a message, so you can able to understand your record has been created. Okay, screen flow, just display the message only, text, display text, message, label it as message, your nice. Just make it bold, middle, font size should be 16, the color is done. Record has been created successfully. Record done. Just label it a message display, message display. Okay, click on done. Okay, let's save this. Screen flow with system mode. Okay, okay, just activate this. Okay, so go to your home tab and in the home tab just add the screen flow to the page. Click on flow, then drag this component to this screen flow with system mode. Click on save, go back, see info with system mode. Okay, let's go to Asutosh EJ and create one account. We'll be able to create a मैं account बना सकता हूँ. Let's go to user, click on this. See, आशुतोष के पास ओनली रीड ओनली का प्रोफाइल है, ना वो क्रिएट कर सकता है, ना वो डिलीट कर सकता है, ना व्यू हुआ, ना मॉडिफाई, सिर्फ रीड करने का प्रोफाइल है. मैं लॉगिन करता हूँ आशुतोष के लॉगिन से. होम बटन पे मैंने देखा, बट मुझे होम बटन पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. जो मैंने अभी सिस्टम परमिशन से मैंने देखा था वो सारे मुझ पे दिख रहे थे, बट इस पे नहीं दिख रहे. क्यों? फर्स्टली पहला मिस्टेक मैंने क्या किया, अभी फ्लो यूज़र आशुतोष में इनेबल नहीं किया था. सबसे पहले मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे यहाँ से लॉग आउट करके मुझे आशुतोष के यूज़र पे जाके फ्लो यूज़र को इनेबल करना पड़ता है सबसे पहला का. तो मैं यूज़र पर गया. ओके, एंड इस यूज़र पर क्लिक करने के बाद मैंने इस एडिट सेक्शन पर गया. This is the flow user, just select this flow user, save. ओके, अब मैंने इनेबल कर दिया. अब मैं लॉगिन करता हूँ तो मुझे वो चीज़ें दिखेंगी जो मैंने अभी स्क्रीन फ्लो पर सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के फॉर्म में मैंने देखा था। सी मुझे दिख गया, आशुतोष के मैंने लॉगिन पे मुझे ये स्क्रीन फ्लो दिख गया। लेट्स क्रिएट अकाउंट। विल बी एबल टू आई एम क्रिएटिंग अकाउंट और नॉट? नेम इज अभिषेक। Okay, just click on next. Oh, this is failed. An unwanted error has occurred in this flow. Because why? Because आपके पास वो permissions नहीं है कि आप किसे create कर सको, ना edit कर सको, ना delete कर सको, सिर्फ read कर सको, इसलिए वो screen flow पर error दे दिया। इस error को resolve करने के लिए मुझे वापस जाना पड़ेगा अपने system permissions पे। लॉग आउट यहाँ से मैं करता हूँ। Just go to flow, click on this flow। मैं अपने system permissions, system administrator के login से हूँ। ये screen flow with system permissions। Just click on this, click on save, and here you have this option that is so advanced। Click on this, and यहाँ पे how to run the flow, system context with sharing, system context without sharing, और user और system context। Just select this system context without sharing। मुझे without sharing चाहिए system permission। वो field level security, आपका ये sharing rule, ये सारे चीज़ों को bypass करेगा। Correct? Just save this। Okay, activate this, go back, just click on this again, just check this whether it is changed or not। Okay, sorry, go back, just go to view details and versions, drop down was created। See, here is the system mode without sharing, run in mode, system mode without sharing। Let's go to Ashutosh user again and create one account also। Okay, go to user, login user, आशुतोष के पास रीड ओनली है परमिशंस। मैं फिर बना के देखता हूँ अब ये चलेगा कि नहीं सिस्टम परमिशन से। मैंने अभी एक्सेस दे दिया है। जस्ट क्रिएट वन अकाउंट अभिषेक। ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट। सी योर रिकॉर्ड हैज बीन क्रिएटेड सक्सेसफुली and just go for the account object, quickly check, yeah, this is I have created right now। see, account owner is Ashutosh। so this is how you can able to create your screen flow through system mode also, whether I am not giving any permissions to that user, but you can able to run your flow through system mode also, but screen flow always run in user mode। You have to change your mode through with your requirement। so this is how you can do like that। okay, I hope you will like this video। please hit like and subscribe my channel, and please stay tuned for the next update। thank you guys।